purpose of this short video is to give you Panacea coriander seed oil in a nutshell. Coriander seed oil is produced by a few companies in the world, and they do steam distilling or they do critical extract to get the essential oil of coriander seed oil. Panacea coriander seed oil is none of those. This is the only raw pressed, unadulterated, undamaged coriander seed oil in the world. That means that it contains all of the beneficial ingredients that are in there from its original created standpoint to be able to benefit your system the way it's supposed to and meant to be. Activation Products is the only company in the world that can produce coriander seed oil this way. We use a very specific German technology where an inventor who lives in Germany designed the equipment and the protocols to press this perfectly. We have invested in that and brought this into our production facility, and we're the only people in the world producing this. Coriander seed oil, when you put it into your system, it generally goes in through a dropper under your tongue. It's a very pleasant tasting oil. Or you can put it in your smoothie if you like to get it in, if you don't appreciate the taste of the coriander seed oil, but most people very much enjoy the taste of it. It goes under your tongue and you can feel it move right through your body up into the back of your head. And it has an aromatherapy component to it as well, because there is a certain amount of the oil that releases from the smell that goes directly up into your brain. But the primary focus of this one is to have your digestive tract system working optimally. It balances the candida or any yeast overgrowth within your system. It allows your functions to work very, very well to get your digestive system absorbing nutrients from the food you eat. It's also the only known oil that can go in and pull heavy metals out of the brain and transport them out of your system. People who have heavy metals in their brain, they do not operate at the highest levels. Many times when people are functioning erratically, it's often due to heavy metals in the brain. It's not really their fault. It's just the way that that is affecting them. So we want to make sure we have all the heavy metals taken out of our whole system, because the coriander seed oil transports heavy metals out of your entire body and particularly your brain. Now, there are many heart benefits, many liver benefits, there's many kidney benefits. There's all the things that come with traditional seed oils as the benefit, but the key factors are digestive tract optimization from entrance to exit, and the brain function to be taken the load of that heavy metal fog off of the brain and allow it to function at its highest level. So that's coriander seed oil in a nutshell.